Hey Paperlovers, welcome by a new YouTube video for Happy Kit Club. It's Josefine here with another process video, and I'm using the beautiful September Happy Kit Club kits for this scrapbook page that I create on Moodboard Sunday. So I love the moodboards designed by Rebecca, and I was very inspired by the colors and the black and white trees, so I choose a black and white photo. But first I cut the circle out from the design paper, and I want to put another design paper behind so you get a great look through. Here I distress the edges of the design paper by using a distress edger, but of course you can use your scissor to distress the edges of the paper. And I use adhesive tape to put my design paper on top of the second design paper that I choose from the main kit design papers, and I put the design paper on top of the other. And now it's time to decorate my scrapbook layout, but first I cut some design paper to size and put it behind the photo. I use a black and white photo because on the mood board there is a black and white picture from some trees, and on my black and white photo you can see some black and white trees as well. So check, that's my first inspiration from the mood board. Of course there are some flowers and the colors are orange, and I got some apples from the design paper and put it on also on this layout between all the flowers and leaves. But first we're going to start decorating, and I choose already some die cuts that I want to use, and these die cuts are from the embellishment kit, and the frame that I use with Love This is also from the embellishment kit. And here I rough the edges of the die cuts and put them on top of the flowers that are already on the design paper. And it's time to layer some die cuts and make some clusters on my scrapbook layout. I puzzle a little bit with the die cuts and all the embellishments on my scrapbook layout, and I ruffle the edges of these flower die cuts with my distress etcher. And I use adhesive tape and 3D foam to create more dimension in my layout. I also crawl up the petals a little bit of my die cuts, and I love the look of layered die cuts and embellishments on my pages. So that is how I'm creating layers in my scrapbook layout to use 3D foam and adhesive tape. These chipboard rounds and word stickers are a great addition to my scrapbook layout, and I love this new collection from Pink Fresh Best Day um, that are in the September Hip Kit Club kits. So these black and white leaves are perfect for this layout in combination with the pink, yellow and dark blue colored die cuts. So I think the black and white leaves are a perfect addition. And here I ruffle the edges of another leaf that I want to use, and I slide them under another die cut. Of course, I saw the cut valve, the leaf cut valve from the October edition from the Hip Kit Club, and these leaves I cut them out with my Cricut maker in a small size from white cardstock. So I definitely want to use these cute leaves cut valve. But first I apply another word strip for words die cuts, blessings and fall memories and hello fall. Love this. I like all these words embellishments on my pages, and these cute little teacups. I definitely want to use these on this page. So here are off the edges and I place them on my page, and I decided to stitch my page, my circle with dark blue sewing thread. So yes, here I decided to use my sewing machine, and I sew my circle with dark blue sewing thread. And the worship blessing, I stitched these two and put them on top of my photo on this layout. It's time to color my mini leaves that I cut out with my Cricut maker from the cut file from October, and I color my leaves with the pastel watercolors from Pima Marketing, and I use the pink colored, the orange yellow color, and the brown color. So I like these colors, and they are a great fit with the mood board, of course. So and when my painted watercolor leaves are dry, I place them on my layout between all the other die cuts. was searching for the right title for this layout, and at the end it will be Fall Breeze Autumn Leaves, and I loved uh, how this title turned out. And this dark blue alpha sets from the September main kits from the Hip Kit Club are a beautiful font, and I loved this font very much. And I combined this alpha set with another alpha set, an orange one, an orange alpha set from the embellishment kits from the September kits, of course, from the Hip Kit Club. And yes, I love to combine different alpha sets for my title, and I'm really happy how this title turned out on my page in a half circle. I love all these leaves that I colored with my watercolor paint, and I put them between the other die cuts on this layout, and I love how that turned out. These colors, the enamel dots, I place them random on my scrapbook page, and I love these dark blue enamel dots between the die cuts. So here I use my We Are Keeping Memory typewriter machine and some vellum, and I write the text Autumn shows us how beautiful it is to let things go. And I think it's the right text for this layout. And I cut some strokes from the vellum, and with a fine point pen I make some stripes around these vellum strips, and I put these under my photo on my scrapbook layout. And at the end I made some white splatters with my acrylic paint that I mixed with a little bit of water and splatter around by using my watercolor brush. So, and that's it. That is how my page turned out, and I had a little fun with the Spring Fresh collection from the September kits from the Hip Kit Club, and I hope you enjoy watching this video. And of course I want to thank you for watching this video. I hope you got some great ideas from this process video, and of course don't forget to check the blog and the Facebook group on the Hip Kit Club Facebook group for more beautiful inspiration. And of course I hope to see you next time on YouTube for another process video. For now I wish you a beautiful and creative day. Bye bye.